Hey, what's up guys, this is Saman here from Expert Gadgets, and welcome to another episode of Awesome Tech. And this time is the month for January. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And now, let's get this video started. First up, we have a Pufftech portable lap desk. This is a great and very useful product for laptop users. It is an anti-skid pad with textured surface that provides strong grip on your laptop, so no more sliding around. The double rubber strip on the bottom boosts even more grip on your lap for a much more stable display or typing experience, especially when you're on the couch or bed. It also protects your body from heat transfer and prevents your laptop from overheating. This is especially useful as laptops can get really hot on your lap, which makes it very uncomfortable. Additionally, it has a retractable laptop mousepad that extends in both directions for both left and right-handed people. It's also got elevation along the edges for stopping your mouse from falling off. This pad is also really good for holding drinks. All in all, for my MacBook, this has been a great companion. Next up, we have Game Glass. If you've ever had times when you were just finding the crosshair rather than actually shooting, then Game Glass is here to help. Its illuminated 1.5mm aim point is designed for first-person shooters. It works with in-game crosshairs to enhance the center point to yield higher shooting accuracy. The ultra-bright green LED is powered by USB to provide superior contrast and brightness against monitors, so you can clearly see the crosshair and not miss. It works with monitors from up to 27 inches in size or up to 34 inches when it's an ultra-wide monitor. The build quality is superb with aluminum build and the glass is also clear. So if you want to improve your aim in any FPS, this will be a great buy. Next up, we have Ampulla speakers. The Ampulla Mini S portable Bluetooth speakers are one of a kind. They have armbands so that you can use them while running. They are magnetic, so you can stick them anywhere, even on the fridge or pull outside. The battery backup of this is not bad at all. 8 hours continuous playback is impressive. And the best part is that it only takes 50 minutes to charge up properly. For the price, you do get a lot out of these speakers. You can properly space them on the corners of your room to have great stereo sound. These speakers have amazing treble with ample bass. Overall, it's light, portable, and easy to use. Next up, we have the Wyze Cam. The Wyze's second iteration of their popular camera is only $20, making it by far the most affordable camera I've seen. Plus, it boasts amazing features like 1080p HD video, 8x optical zoom, and integrations with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The Wyze Cam also performs well, provided your Wi-Fi network connection is decent. During my initial testing, I received quick and accurate motion, sound, and person notifications. The motion detection zone was easy to set up and it worked well. Wyze Cam also has auto night vision, and you can adjust it manually. And the cloud database saves footages for up to 2 weeks that you can review for free. I'm impressed. For $20, you get a camera with 2-week free cloud storage, optional local storage, person alerts, a detection zone, and advanced audio detection. Next up, we have PrintCube. PrintCube is a handheld printer. But rather than feeding a sheet of paper into a printer, the user moves the PrintCube across the paper one line at a time. Because the printer sits on the surface instead of using a paper tray, the PrintCube can print on more surfaces than just paper, including cardboard, leather, metal, plastic, fabric, wood, and textured surfaces. And an ink cartridge lasts long enough to print on more than 415 A4-sized pages. The color inkjet printer connects with the PrintCube app using Wi-Fi to create designs and send them to the printer on the go. The printer charges through a USB Type-C port with battery life rated up to 6 hours of continuous printing. All in all, this can be a really useful and fun tool, especially if you want to print your company logo on the go for a letterhead. Next up, we have the Enou Automatic Paper Towel Dispenser. The Enou Automatic Paper Towel Dispenser is a breeze to load, and it automatically trains itself to dispense the correct length. If more than one towel is needed, just continue to hold your hand in front of the sensor and more will be dispensed. Any portion not used or ripped off will be retracted back into the dispenser for safekeeping. The fact that unused paper towels are completely stored inside makes the dispenser look almost seamless in the kitchen. This dispenser can be powered by battery or with use of an AC adapter. And this product will really come in handy if your hands are dirty and you don't want to dirty the dispenser itself. and it significantly reduces the amount of paper towels you normally just throw away. So that was it for this video, guys. Do leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on some more upcoming content. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.